Okay. Okay. So hello everyone. There was some technical issue. That's why we are back again. We'll just get back to our guest. She'll be joining us soon. Just a second.
जो जैसा मत निकाल, तो सीखने के लिए ना, डोंट वेस्ट योर मनी ऑन ट्यूब्स, इट्स जस्ट फॉर लर्निंग. So what I was saying, the consistency I was telling. So you can see the consistency when I was holding from here, and it can go smoothly.
Yeah.
And if I do it again from here, so I'm just rubbing my brush. तो इससे मेरा ब्रश भी बहुत खराब होगा, और यू कैन सी हल्का सा टिल्ट भी हो जाता है, तो आपका ब्रश बेसिकली खराब हो जाता है. अच्छा, ईच एंड एवरी ब्रश हैज टू ओरिएंटेशंस. सो टू ओरिएंटेशंस कैसे होते हैं, लेट मी टेल यू. सी, पहला ओरिएंटेशन हुआ फ्लैट, ये यू कैन सी, ये पहला. हम लोगों ने कभी नहीं सोचा होगा कि सेकेंड ओरिएंटेशन क्या है. सेकेंड ओरिएंटेशन होता है जो हम लोग एक तो ऐसे यूज कर रहे हैं, सेकेंड ओरिएंटेशन होता है लाइक दिस. सी,
ओके,
सो लाइक दिस एंड लाइक दिस. सो देयर आर टू ओरिएंटेशंस ईच एंड एवरी ब्रश. सो कभी भी इन केस, ये मैं इसलिए बता रही हूँ, कभी भी आपके पास थिन लाइन की अगर आपको बनाना पड़ रहा है या ड्रॉ करना पेंट करना पड़ रहा है, सो अगर ब्रश नहीं है आपके पास, तो यू कैन यूज सिंगल ब्रश फॉर द सेम कलर. और सेकेंड थिंग, जब आप अनदर कलर जब आप उठा रहे हो या पिक कर रहे हो, सो उसके लिए हमेशा आइदर यू वॉश द प्रीवियस ब्रश जो आप यूज कर रहे हो करंट, और यूज अनदर ब्रश.
ओके,
सो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सेकेंड में ये इंपॉर्टेंट बहुत है कि आप स्टार्ट करो हमेशा एक्रेलिक से. ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद एक्रेलिक्स. ऑयल्स पे डायरेक्टली मत जाओ, क्योंकि ऑयल्स कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट होते हैं, पेशेंस उसमें बहुत ज्यादा चाहिए. और थोड़ा सा क्या होता है, जब ऑयल्स आपको अगर एक सेकंड लेयर आपको लगानी है, तो वो सेकंड लेयर एक्रेलिक्स में तो आप विद इन फ्यू मिनट्स आप लगा लोगे, बट ऑयल को आपको ड्राई होने के लिए आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा 2 दिन 3 दिन, अ वीक एज वेल. सो इतना पेशेंस अगर है तो प्लीज ऑयल पे जाओ, नहीं है तो प्लीज एक्रेलिक्स पे रहो. और मेरे हिसाब से ये रहता है.
So Sarfaraz was asking, how did you start your journey, and can you talk about a little bit?
Okay, so जैसा मैंने पहले स्टार्टिंग में बताया था, I was in abroad and I started like a hobby. जब आप थोड़ा सा घर में बोर हो रहे होते हो कि अब क्या किया जाए, I worked with IT firm. I did my MBA and ये था कि कॉर्पोरेट में जॉब करनी है, but I left it because I had to shift to abroad. सो वहां पे मैंने स्टार्ट किया अपनी आर्ट जर्नी. उससे पहले मुझे आर्ट के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता था, नथिंग. सो जीरो. तो मेरी जो फर्स्ट पेंटिंग बनी थी, आई बॉट लॉट्स ऑफ कैनवस, लॉट्स ऑफ कलर्स. एक होता है ना कि आपको इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है आर्ट में, सो यू बॉट लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग. एंड यू वोंट बिलीव, माय फर्स्ट पेंटिंग वाज डिजास्टर.
लिटरली. या, इट हैपेंस.
बट ये था, इट हैपेंस. बट आपके पास जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है वो ये होती है कि ठीक है, अगर ये गया तो गया, इट्स ओके. मैं जो नेक्स्ट करूंगी वो और अच्छा करूंगी. इट डजंट मीन कि अगर अभी कोई, इससे मैंने मतलब आई हैव लर्न कि अगर कोई चीज आपकी खराब हो जाती है तो प्लीज उसको ऐसा मत करो कि उसे छोड़ दो. जस्ट अगर आप कर रहे हो तो प्लीज कीप डूइंग. एक ना एक दिन तो वो अच्छा होगा ही होगा. कंसिस्टेंसी बना के रखो एंड एक बिलीव करो खुद पे कि अगर मैंने ये चीज पकड़ी है, मुझे ये चीज करनी है, तो ऑफ कोर्स ये चीज मैं डेफिनेटली करूंगी. लाइक दैट. सो ये कहीं ना कहीं ये सारी चीजें बहुत मायने रखती है. फिर उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स ये जो हॉबी है ये मेरा पैशन बनी, एंड पैशन बनते बनते नाउ आई कैन से आई एम प्रोफेशनल आर्टिस्ट. सो रिसेंटली अभी मैंने कोविड पे पेंटिंग बनाई है. मेरी पेंटिंग्स मैं क्या करती हूँ, मेरी पेंटिंग्स में एक खासियत ये रहती है, मैं हमेशा पॉजिटिव पेंटिंग्स बनाती हूँ और मोटिवेशनल पेंटिंग्स. उसका रीजन ये रहता है कि कल तो all the paintings related to COVID, which was like koi somebody is stuck in jail, somebody is stuck in under the table, somebody is wearing a mask. All these kind of paintings I saw. So I made COVID painting with positive message, which is, you have to think differently. If you think differently,
we would like to
the
look at
theme
it
will
once.
automatically. Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
You can see there are two hands.
Yeah.
Yes, I made two hands, then word map, and you can see the COVID sign. So why I made this one is like, if you can see the, corona comes with hands. If you don't wash it properly,
it spreads through that. Yeah,
it spreads through that, right? So you need to understand your hands are very important nowadays for the entire world. So you need to wash your hands carefully. If you do that, you follow all these things, social distancing, definitely corona will be over in few months, few years or like that. But right now we need to understand the theme. What is the requirement?
So, Twinkle Arora is telling that matrix system is better than the traditional way starting a portrait.
Yes, I feel so.
Yeah.
I feel so. But yeah, for the beginner, it's much easier. But I would say because traditional way it will be उसमें क्या होगा, आपको ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा सीखने में, इसमें ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा पेंटिंग बनाने में, बट ट्रेडिशनल वे में ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा सीखने में.
Okay.
So you choose either you want to learn traditional way, it will take you like years and years to learn and comes to the reality. And if you follow the matrix system, it will, of course, when you are making the sketch, it will take hardly like 1 or few hours, but at least you will learn faster this way.
Yeah. Actually, there is another doubt from Sky that can you give some tips about how to sell your first painting? How to approach people or who to approach?
See, who to approach, how to approach, and where to approach. I will tell you, see, selling, first of all, don't think about selling if you are doing art. I know selling is important at some point of time, but first you need to market yourself. You need to establish your name. So that is very important, because right now if you see, there are lots of artists in the market, lots of, and there are some renowned artists, there are some unrenowned, there everywhere you will see. But you need to understand, if you market yourself, how do you market yourself? See, there are social medias, of course, but apart from that, your paintings, your theme, that's why I'm saying the theme is very important. Just look around what other artists are making and what you can make, which make you different from the other artist. So just analyze their art first. Study what they are making right now, उनकी जो history थी, what they had made already. और क्योंकि मैंने, what I realized, every artist had single theme. If someone is using suppose knife paintings, so they keep doing knife only. If someone is doing like a lady portrait, so they keep doing portrait. But why are you not doing something else? So I'm just telling, do follow. There are lots of variations, different techniques. So you need to, before selling, you need to market yourself. You need to positioning. You say positioning. So you need to understand where are you standing. So analyze the other artists, analyze what they are making, what they have made already, and think differently, what you can make different. And when you do that, put on social media, Facebook, YouTube, Insta, there are lots of ways. And definitely it is going to be sell. And also I would say, you need to connect the people. Networking is very important in each and every sector, but in art sector also. You need to keep meeting, keep follow them on Insta. Just say hi, hello, how are you? Each and every artist, just talk to them. You will definitely, you will have the connections, and one day you are going to sell your.
Can you suggest few platforms, ma'am, on where to approach to people?
See, on Facebook, if you go, you will find lots of art groups. You can find art group. There are lots of, actually. I'm not taking any particular name. I remember I did the last live session with Parindo Q Udan. There are artists. You can meet some art curators as well. I did one more live session with Uchan Arts. So Uchan Arts, Parindo Kyudan art, fine arts of groups, the acrylic arts of groups. So you just find art groups on Facebook and send them requests, join them, and there you will find lots of artists out there. Gradually, you will get to know that which groups are suitable for you. Like that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
On Instagram also, you can just start following the artist pages. Like there are so many artists, you just start finding it. I started like that only.
So you guys can also DM Indian Canva. They will also help you out if you have any other doubts. And you can also DM ma'am if you have doubts about how to approach. Yeah.
You can just DM me. You can send me a request. You can ask me anything, anytime. It's okay. Of course, I'm not available 24 hours. But yes, whenever I see your message, I will definitely get back to you.
Okay.
So hope I'm already sorted all the questions. There are no other questions. Shreyas?
Actually, there's one last one from Twinkle Aurora. Twinkle Aurora, sorry. How do we decide upon our specific style to establish ourselves successfully in the market? Any tips on that?
Again, I would say you need to make your art different. That's the only thing you can do. See, हम लोग को being an artist, हम लोग की जो art है वही बोलती है, right? आपका जो काम होता है, जो आप work कर रहे हो, वो सामने वाले को दिखता है basically, right? अगर आपने मुझे क्यों बुलाया, आप मुझे नहीं जानते हो श्रेयस, right? But Indian Canva,
we have met through Indian Canva.
Right. Yeah. I approached you because, see, frankly speaking, I approached Indian Canva because they, if I'm not wrong, your brand came with some competition. There was
online art competition.
Online art competition. Yeah. So I just initiated, and then I met Shreyas there only. So of course, through that, you need to initiate from your side, and they will now, like Indian Canva initiated from their side. So we both initiated. I initiated from my side, and they initiated too. And now we are here. So you need to understand this concept. You need to market this way. I told about myself. Don't hide your feelings. Don't hide your art. Whatever you are making, just post them. Okay? Because
just come out and share.
Just come out and share. And don't see. There are two more things I would say. Positive, views आपको बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे. But don't be scared कि अगर मैंने it doesn't look nice. Some people will, they will say something. So what will happen? कहने दो. If they will say, you will learn. So negative जो भी vibes आती है, negative जो भी वो लोग बोलते हैं, you will learn something from that. And start working on that. Like suppose if you're not, even in some art galleries, if your painting is not selected, it's okay. Just start making, just ask them, revert them back. Why are you not liking my paintings? What happened to you? Like, is there any problems? You can guide me. They will revert you back and then work on it. So it will, you will getting better day by day. So this is the way you need to market yourself. You need to approach, they will approach you.
That's true. Yeah. So it was really good hearing from you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Our audience loved you. Yeah, they learned a lot of things from you. So,
I'm so glad.
We would like, again to someday make some IGTV video together. We would love to.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Why not?
Yeah.
So Shreyas and everyone, thank you so much.
Okay then. Bye.
Canva for giving me this opportunity. I'm so glad to be part of here, and frankly speaking, I love to do all the live sessions where I can share my feelings basically. Because कहते हैं ना कि जब आप कोई चीज शेयर करते हो तो आपकी वो चीज और improve होती जाती है.
We are also really lucky to have you. Yeah.
Thank you, Shreyas, and thank you everyone for watching this live session.
Okay.
So, okay, Shreyas.
So thank you, ma'am. I think it's time.